What's up, boys? It's Carter. I'm back, ready to make content again. I took a little break. Was busy with school, got out for the summer, and then I got a full-time job that I wasn't expecting. So just been really busy. I had the bike down for a little bit. I did a ton of stuff to it, which I'll get into in a second. As you guys can see, I've completely redone everything film-wise. I got a replacement GoPro, so the back screen isn't cracked anymore. I got a mic for inside my helmet, so I'm not using the Cardo system, which sounded like a walkie-talkie. So now, hopefully this mic should sound good to you guys. And hopefully it picks up some of my bike too. I don't know if you just heard that as well, but I'll get into it. I got a tune on my bike and did a ton of work, and it feels incredible. Nice. She completely ran that red. So yeah, in terms of GoPro, I changed my settings, so I'm recording in like a different resolution. I've changed like shutter speed and a whole lot. All new settings. I got like a filter off for the front. It's called an ND filter. It's like sunglasses, and that way I can like run like I don't know if it's like a faster or slower shutter speed, but yeah, I mean, it looks amazing. The mic, it's like a Purple Panda. I got it off Amazon. This is the third mic that I've bought. I bought a Purple Panda previously and it just didn't work, so I returned it and got a different one. And the one that I did get, the quality was absolutely terrible, so I returned that and got another Purple Panda, hoping it was like a defect in the first one, and it was. So Purple Panda mic, hopefully it sounds good, hopefully it picks up the bike. And yeah, in terms of the bike, I took it completely apart. I had all the fairings off. I had the gas tank pulled up, and so what I did was I put a high flow air filter in there from K&N. I redid all the spark plugs, so 4 completely new ones. I got new brakes. I did a ton of paint work. Look at this. He's got one wheel on the line. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I got a tune as well. It's so much fun. The bike is just, it feels so different. It feels completely new. Before I got this, and I got it from More Mafia, by the way. A lot of you guys probably have seen his videos or know him. And before I got this tune and did all the mods, right? Because I did them all at once. I was considering getting a leader bike just because I wasn't completely satisfied with the power down low. And so I was like, oh, I could get it. Watch this. Isn't that crazy? So yeah, the tune is nuts. It completely changed the way the bike feels, and the pops just never fail to put a smile on my face, and it shoots flames too. Oh my gosh, it's just intoxicating. It's like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like a fresh sip of lemonade on a hot day, or like taking your socks off after work. It's like one of those feelings, and that sounds really weird, but I love it. I love the tune, I love the pops. I highly recommend it if you're gonna get one from More. What else did I do? I did a ton of paint work. So any panels that were red, I compounded it, I polished them, and compounded, polished, and I also ceramic coated them. And that was my first time doing like any real paint work. And it's not the best, and it's not show quality, but I think I did a really great job. For those of you who don't know, this bike sat for like 7 or 8 years, like in a tent, and it never ran. So there was some sun damage just because it wasn't like completely indoors. I mean, it was covered, but it was like exposed to the elements. So that cleaned up a whole lot of like oxidation in the paint, and a whole ton of stuff. There were some panels that were silver. They weren't like chrome, they were just kind of like a gray silver. And I did some like rattle can paint, and those are black now. They're this one right here is black now. There was like a little silver section where the passenger pegs kind of bolt in, and I painted that black as well. And man, I mean, this bike, oh, I am just in love with it all over again. Not to say I fell out of love with it, but man, I just can't stop riding. It's seriously an addiction, and for those of you who don't ride, I don't think you'll get it, but it's just, wow. It's like every single ride, I'm just ecstatic. So yeah, I did stuff with the bike, was busy with work and school. I also got, okay. I also got, I'll let this guy through. Thank you. I also got some boots. I know it's like iconic, and it's kind of my thing to have cowboy boots, but I got some real boots. I would throw my leg out right now, but then I'd get smashed in the balls by these strips. Give me 1 second. When I take this ride, I'll throw my leg out and show you guys. They're like black and red. They're super cool. Let's get some speed. See? And they've got like an American flag on the back, which I love. I'm like super patriotic. Not in a brainwashed way, but I love my country. I think we have so much freedom, and it's great. I'll probably go into that later on a different video. This isn't the time. But yeah, guys, that's my little update. I think I'll end it here. I'm about to test what my gas mileage is with this new tune, because it's definitely dropped off. But when you're shooting flames, you're burning something out the back, so whatever. And I can't find neutral as always. Well, these guys are gonna hear me talk. Anyways, hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ride safe, rock on, peace.